And now, the Ouchie Beck Ballet.
This is a song about Jesus praying in a garden. You know, you can pray too. You can be just like Jesus. In the garden late that night, Jesus prayed with all his might. Father, help me do what's right. I'll say yes to you. Lord, I'll say yes to you. Jesus said yes. Jesus said yes. Jesus said yes to the Father. And we can say yes. We can say yes. We can say yes to him too. When you pray, do this. Now I will listen when I pray. Talk to God both night and day. Just like Jesus I will say, I'll say yes to you. Lord, I'll say yes to you. I can say yes. I can say yes. I can say yes to the Father.